Okay, that's Avenida de Harmonia. We're gonna walk directly up that way. This kind of goes into some interesting areas. There's Praia Park to the left right there. Kind of interesting apartment building. I'll talk a little bit about that. And that's kind of the social housing area over there. And we're just gonna walk all the way down Harmonia and try to give a good feel for it. Before we even go up, that's Hotel 13. So that's defunct. And that's one oasis over there. And then you also have some kind of cool, a few little businesses right around the corner here too. Thought I'd at least let you know that they're here before we go down to Harmonia. If you go all the way down, it goes down to the beaches. We're in Coloane. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay. The bus going by, more buses going by, ton of buses, 25, all the 25 buses are coming by. So anyways, let's just walk up our street. We have Praia Park right there. Praia Park is a popular place with expats, and it's also nice apartments too, but it's more affordable than the one behind us, which was one oasis. Over here we have a really beautiful park with actually green grass that they actually take care of, and kind of a little bit of a jungle-like element there. And you can see the Hotel 13 and one oasis is behind it. Hotel 13 is kind of confusing. It's a really expensive hotel, and it was really really well known. It had kind of came with big fanfare, and it seemed like kind of in a funny location because it was located way over here, which is not that convenient for tourists, really, in my personal opinion. But nonetheless, it's here anyways. And that Hotel 13 went out of business during COVID. It was very expensive. It was kind of a very high-end place. Okay, so we're gonna walk on down. Some beautiful banyan trees over there. We have the sun is kind of getting bright right now. But yeah, that's Praia Park right there. Let's kind of go down like that. So you can see what it looks like down here. Plus you can see this kind of rock formation because it goes up into the hills right over that side as well. And if you go down further down, there's a panda park, and then there's also a really nice temple, Buddhist temple, and a nice shrine, beautiful statue, all kinds of cool stuff up there. But what we're gonna do in this video is we're just gonna go down Harmonia. So let me just see. Let's see. Kind of cool views right here. This one goes down a little ways. We got a school here. Edificio Ipang. I have filmed down there. That's like kind of like social housing. It's very small, but it's a way to house the people in the city. They kind of try to take care of the people who don't really have the income. So people will try to qualify if their income is low enough for it, is my understanding. And this Harmonia will go down this way. And I think it goes down a little ways, but all this to the left is Praia Park. And that's just that's not social housing. That's actually nice housing, and it's popular for people who I've never been on this street before. Dois de Koi. It's really windy here. I probably should just go up and just film this one and then end our Harmonia, because I'll give you a good context of what it looks like. So I think that's actually what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna go up there and give you a little 360, and that way we can target our street as well. And I think, so that's Avenida Harmonia. Oh, there's Avenida de Locoi. I don't know if I've walked down Avenida de Locoi before. Part of me would like to document all the different streets in Macau, even though some of them might not look that interesting. They still have some value to them, so I'm just trying to capture them in time and just you know, kind of making a record. I don't know, you know, who knows, maybe someday somebody will try to recreate Macau, exactly what it looks like. They're doing a lot of construction. Let's go look at the construction. So this is Harmonia Street right here, and that's Praia Park right there. And then this construction, they're basically building a station, I believe. We'll go take a look and see what they're doing exactly. Huh. Doing something kind of cool. Let's take a look at this. So, okay. So actually it looks like they're building, I think this might be maybe part of the train. Yeah, you can see the train line right there, so it looks like it's going to come out to here, to Coloane. I don't know what that's all going to look like, so basically we just captured it in time. This is great. So this is what it's going to look like. It looks like they're going to build this little extension that goes out to here, and then it looks like I can see more of the train line station over that way as well. So I don't know how that's going to be constructed exactly, but you're looking at it right now. Huh. Well, that was worthwhile. It says suspended. So they can hang out right there. Huh. So yeah, I guess that's all new. I wonder what they're gonna do with that giant lot right there. But yeah, you can see some of the train line right there, and then right on the other side is Islands Hospital as well. That's brand new. So they just built these hospitals over here in Taipa as well. That goes down our Target Street. So our Target Street is down that way, Avenida Harmonia. Check out this woman. There's a woman. This always happens in this area. But see that woman right there? She's walking into the crosswalk and she's running across the street. It's such a mainlander thing to do. So yeah, she's actually walking across right there, but you're supposed to go up. There's elevators here and everything. But yeah, if you walk into the street, it's kind of ridiculous. It doesn't make any sense. But that's really common. I see that a lot. This area in particular, and also I see it near the border. I think it's because I think this is all these buildings right here, these are really small apartments and they're social housing. There's that woman right there. She's walking across and she's going to fit into the gates, and now she's back on the sidewalk. I guess she didn't want to go up and around. Anyways, Harmonia goes down that way and then it ends. So and if I went down it, I don't think it'd be that interesting as this one right here. But this is what Harmonia looks like. And that's Harmonia as well. And then that's that kind of cool looking thing that they're doing over here. So I'm gonna come to an end, and that'll be the end of our street. So hope you liked it. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.